Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, Anything Why. Just want to show you what a jungle my place is over here with aquaponics, how successful it is. So check this out. So I got my lettuce I was growing. Some are butter crunch lettuce, some are Manoa lettuce, but you can see they're growing pretty good. And then this is my basil. Basil leaves are pretty nice now. I've been pruning them. You can see my other videos, I showed you how to prune them up. Check it out, now they're growing really bushy. Alright. I got some more lettuce down there. And then these are more lettuce. I got some strawberries still. There's some of my basil. There's some more lettuce, Manoa lettuce in the back. That's how they come out. They look like that. They come out looking like this. Beautiful. There's some more strawberries right down here, guys. Check that out. Strawberries and aquaponics. There's a tomato tree. Here's some more strawberries. These are my floating rafts. Check them out. There's some more lettuce. And then what I really like here is the spinach. Check this out. These are nice. Spinach is beautiful. So much spinach. Got mint in there, ginger. This is my turmeric or ginger plant. Check that out. He's doing pretty good. And more spinach. Just gets overgrown, guys, when you grow aquaponics. So much nutrients in here. The plants are thriving in here. And then I got some more ponds down here. There's some more baby tilapias down in there. There's my other pond. And I got my filter down there, extra filter. Cascade 1000. That thing's helped to filter my water for this 180-gallon fish tank. There's the tilapias inside there. Check them out, they're kind of happy now. I just fed them, so this is the excess food that's floating on top. And got one breeding tank right here for tilapia. They're in there. You can hardly see them. And then this is my filter, still running, still filtering my water. There's my commercial air pump. Check out my other video, Little Sun commercial air pump. Then I got this Echo Air pump running the rest of my grow beds. Oh, sorry, my floating raft system. That's what it looks like out here. And then down here, check this out, I got my tilapias growing. Those are my other videos. You saw those baby tilapias. That's how big they look now. Really hard to see in there, but they're in there. And then I got a sponge filter. And I got one hang on the back. Marine Lab filter, a big one. So, the water coming out. That keeps them happy. Filters out all the bad stuff in the water. Alright, I'll just go around. Show you the outsides here. And you got an eggplant tree right here. So eggplant can grow in aquaponics. Takes a little time, took a lot of time for him. Right here's my eggplant fruit. That's pretty cool. That's the outside area of my basil. See my lettuce. Sticky on the outside. Then this is my upu or squash. I had to trim them down. It's going all the way up to my roof. And here's some more spinach on the outside. Check out the spinach, guys. I make Caesar salad with this all the time. Put some garlic croutons in there and they're really amazing. That's it. You can see that. That's the outside, back end of my fish tank. So yeah, aquaponics was pretty successful, guys. If you guys need some tips and tricks, check out all my other videos on my channel. Like and subscribe. Thank you.